Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MX how to cancel card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your card, what you need to do first is just simply head over and launch your American Express application, then tap on login and tap on the user ID and enter your user ID, then your password and simply tap on log. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the card you want to cancel. And once you tap on the card you want to cancel, what you need to do is select account services or card services. Then once you're inside there, look for the close card or cancel card or manage card option, and once you're inside you'll find an option that says close account. Now all you gotta do is follow the prompts and confirm the cancellation to successfully cancel the selected card. You can also cancel by phone by calling the number on the back of your MX card and say you want to cancel your card, and the representative may ask for verification and may offer retention offers like bonus points or lower fees. You can decline if you just want to close it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.